nang mag-glamping kasama ng kasunod nating makakakolab. Ang All Out Sundays cuties na sina Josh Ford at Antonio Vinzon.
Kasi po, dati po, akala ko lang camping lang. And then, nung nalaman ko po yung glamping, parang glamorous camping.
Pagkalapag pa lang ng gamit nila, kaagad na sumabak ang dalawang binata sa pagtatanim ng palay na pwede mo ring gawin kapag bumisita ka sa Mudita Glamping Resort.
Nagtanim po kami. Na-experience po namin kung gaano kahalaga yung buhay ng farmer.
Pagkatapos ng hirap, meron din namang sarap. Dahil ang sumunod na activities ni Josh at Antonio ay biking, massage, and a relaxing kawa bath. And then, nagpakabusog naman sila sa masasarap na Italian dishes ng Trattoria Altrove.
So this is one of our best sellers.
It's like, yeah, that is really good. Wow. I'm taking this home.
And the dough, was it your own recipe?
Yes.
Neapolitan? Neapolitan style.
Kind of.
Is it
Although-
sourdough or not really?
No, it's regular.
Yeah, what is the black pasta? What?
Squid ink?
No, it's cuttlefish.
Guys, try it.
That's it.
Just mix it together and go.
Alright.
And then if you want, you can squeeze a little lemon over it. That's also.
We have to have some lemon.
Yeah. Squeeze the lemon as well with it. Ayan, para...
Very good.
Do you put cheese with it as well?
You can. Now the Italians they do not mix cheese with seafoods.
It's like
Generally.
it's like an unspoken rule.
Yeah, unspoken rule. No,
Oh, so
but here many people still want it, so we give it on the side usually.
Right.
Say okay if you want it,
So as a
put it
everybody.
on. You have to
Yeah.
please everyone. Right?
It's definitely not the order you're gonna make on your first date.
Yeah.
But if you really want to impress someone, you can make this from scratch.
it is, for me, ako po ay gustong-gusto ko po talaga yung flavor niya. I thought I wasn't gonna like it at the start because I've never tried like black pasta.
It's real different.
I look at my hands, it's like,
Yeah, and your teeth. And
yeah, my teeth as well. It's like, grabe, it's just a good
it's
experience.
ink.